નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Class 4 Maths Chapter 1 Building with Bricks. Children, in our previous video we had learned about introduction of bricks. Bricks having 6 faces, right? Bricks do not have any square face. Okay children, and bricks are in cuboid shape. Okay children, now next, different types of wall pattern and floor patterns we seen in our previous video, right? Different types of Jali Jarukha pattern we already learned. Story of Jagriti School, right? How to draw a brick wall that will not fall. In this we had learned about Zainab and Munia. Both friends are playing with bricks and making their walls, right children? Now next, different types of wall patterns we already seen in our previous video, right? We was match the different types of wall patterns. Okay, now we will learn Charukha patterns. In this picture you can see the wall, right? And in this they made Jarukha, right? And this is also Jarukha pattern, but its design are different. Okay children, you all can see the difference between both the designs. Yes, you can draw like this Jarukha pattern, right? If you want to draw this, you can draw in rectangular shape. Here, this is the example of Jarukha pattern. You can draw as you like. Now look at your textbook. Looking through a Jali. Here we have to learn about the Jali patterns, which is made by bricks. The mason who built Jagriti School had also made different Jali patterns on the walls. Here in this picture we can see the building of Jagriti School, right children? Here they give us two photos of Jali patterns, which is made by the masons, right? Now here they asking us one question. How many different Jali patterns can you see in these two photos? Here we have to count the different types of Jali patterns which is given in these two photos and write down the answer of this question. How many different Jali patterns we can see in these two photos? Here in this is the first pattern, right? This is the Jali patterns, and this is second one, right? And this is also different, third one, right? And this one, fourth one, and this one is fifth one, right? So here we can see 5 types of different design of Jali patterns. You have to count yourself and write down the answer in your textbook. Children, here you can write answer like this. 5 different Jali patterns can be seen in these two photos. Now in next page, this is a drawing of another beautiful Jali. Here in this side of this page, they give us beautiful Jali patterns. Now children, next, color some bricks red and make your own Jali patterns in the wall drawn below. Here they give us one wall which is made by bricks. Now here you have to draw your own design or pattern of Jali. and color it with red. Okay children, here you can draw whatever you want to draw. Okay children, here I draw my own jali pattern. You can see in this picture. You can draw as like this also. Okay children, here they asking us one question. Let's we read the question. Can you see the window Jarukha in this photo of the school? Yes, we can see this type of Jarukha pattern, right? In the photo of the school. We already seen in the previous photo. Here we can see this type of Jarukha pattern. Now next, now draw some Jarukha patterns on the wall here. You can shade it black. Here they give us the wall. Now we have to draw some Jarukha patterns in this wall and we have to color it. Here we can shade it with black color. Okay. Here you can draw your own Jarukha patterns. Children, here you can draw the Jarukha pattern like this also. Okay. And you can draw your own pattern or design. Now in next page, this jali is from a library building in Kerala. Here in this picture you can see the brick patterns. Here they give us bricks pattern for walls. This is made by bricks, right? This building is library building of Kerala. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. Children, here in this picture we can see the triangle, right? How they made the bricks like this? Look at the picture. They made bricks like this. The edges they have set like this and make different design of brick. And here we can see it's look like a triangle. Okay. Now next, have you seen the bricks that look like triangle? Have you seen bricks that look like triangle? Here they asking us the question. Have you ever seen the bricks like this in the shape of the triangle? Yes, we seen in the garden, right children? Here they give us picture. Look at this picture, right? It look like a triangle that arrange the bricks in such way that it look triangle. Look at the bricks around the tree. Okay. Look at the bricks around the tree in this photo. Here they told us, look at the picture. They arrange the bricks in such way. Now our next concept is based on arc. First of all, we have to know about the arc. Let's we understand the concept of arc. First of all, we have to know what is an arc. You all know about arc. Here I am explaining the arc. Please listen carefully. First of all, look at this picture. This is the picture of circle. Right children? Now here I cut the one part of the circle. Now so this part of this circle is called arch. Here you can see the picture of arch. Now look at this picture. Children, here this is the arch, right? We cut the circle into two parts. That's why this part is called arch. Now the another part of this circle, this is also arch. Okay? When we break the circle at that time, the curved surface made arch. Here you can see this is the curved surface of circle and this is called the arch. Here in this picture, from one circle I made many arch. You all can see. In this picture, this is the first arch, this is the second arch, this is the third arch and this is the fourth arch. Now I arranged this arch, right? First, second, third and fourth, and this made a circle. So the arch is curved part of circle, right? Arch is part of circumference. Children, I hope you all understand the arch, concept of arch. Okay? Now let's we continue our chapter. Now look at your textbook. Do you see the arch in this photo? Yes, now we can see this is the arch. Okay? Now, this is from a school in Faizabad. This is a arch picture from a school which is located in Faizabad. Now next, find out. Look for other arches around you and draw them. Children, you see this type of arch in many places like tunnels, bridge, entrance of any door, right? This is the real time example. Have you seen arches in a bridge? Yes, children, we see the arches in a bridge. Now next, where else you seen an arch? Here they asking us, anywhere else we see the arches design? If seen, then write the place. Now next, special arch. In this photo from Oracha, see how the arch is made. It has nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. The arch with a well. Here in this picture we can see the arch design, right? It's have its special name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. Here in this picture we can see. This is called special arch. Next, isn't the jali of this window beautiful? Here they asking us, the jali pattern which is given in picture isn't beautiful? Children, this is so much beautiful design made with bricks. Now it is made of thin bricks. Here they told us this is made from thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Look around. Here they asking us, we seen any types of thin bricks in our area? Children, I hope you all understand this concept, right? Now we will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you for joining us